Hey DIYers, I'm George from Alarm Grid. Today we're going to be going over how to find the serial number on a 5800 PIR-RES. So first of all, just to start off, the 5800 PIR is a passive infrared motion detector that has pet immunity capabilities. So this is actually, the range of this is 35 by 40 feet. It transmits at a 345 megahertz frequency, which means Honeywell systems and 2 gig systems, the GC2, GC3, both work with these alarm systems. So any wireless Honeywell system, even if you have a wired Honeywell system that has a wireless receiver, will work with this, and so will 2 gig. Now the serial number, if you guys are looking at getting the serial number in order to program it in, there's two ways of doing it. The first way is by looking at the sticker that's on the back, and I'm going to get a zoom in of this in a second here. And then just in case this sticker ever falls off, just remember there's also, give me just one moment here. Let me open it up. There's also a second sticker on the inside. Yeah, it's going to be the same sticker that's on the back plate, but yeah, there's another sticker that's on the inside as well. And again, if you guys do happen to lose both stickers, if they just become undone or anything like that, then that's where the second way of finding the serial number is going to come in handy. The second way is to actually enroll it into your panel using the auto-learn feature. You can't manually type in the serial number because you won't have it, so you're just going to do the auto-enroll feature. To do that, I'm going to be actually demonstrating it on the L7000. So the first thing we need to do is get into programming mode. I'm going to go ahead, and this is like the arming screen. If I go to the home screen, you're going to see these three options. You're going to want to hit security. Then on the bottom right hand corner, hit more, and that brings up the tools icon. I'm going to hit tools, and it's going to ask me for a code. You need to enter in the installer code. My default is 4112. Alright, default installer codes for Honeywell systems are 4112. Now yours may be different if you or your monitoring company has changed it, so make sure you use the correct code accordingly. If you use the correct code, it'll take you to this screen right here, the programming screen. I hit program. I'm going to go to zones. I hit add new. And then once I'm in this screen, I'm going to go to serial number. Once I'm in this serial number screen, I have now put the panel into learning mode. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the battery to my motion. I'm going to close the cover. Now just a little tip for whenever you guys are closing the covers, try to do the top first. As soon as that's locked into place, swing it down and it locks into place. Alright, now the auto learn feature, we actually have to trip the motion. So what that means is I'm just going to place the motion down here, and once the motion detects me 3 times, you're going to hear every time that the motion detects me, the L7000 will give a beep 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 confirmation, and it'll slowly start adding in and auto learning the sensor. So it's going to first acknowledge you, then it's going to learn in the serial number, and then it's going to give you the loop number, and it's going to back you out to the main programming screen. So let me just see here if I can get this motion to trip. So right now it's in a red blinking mode for the first I think it's for the first 10 minutes after the, and as you see, the L7000 is noticing me, so is the motion. But this motion is going to have that red blinking light is going to be on for 10 minutes. This, as soon as you plug in the battery, it goes into a 10-minute test mode or walk test, which is beneficial for you guys who are installing it. If you guys remove the battery and add it back in, the light's going to blink anytime it detects you. So if you guys are walking around the house making sure that it's covering all the areas, just remove the battery and plug it back in, and it'll go into a 10-minute walk test mode. Now, as you saw, as I put it there and as I was moving, it was detecting my motion. So it actually went ahead and entered in all the information into the L7000 just like I said it would. And if you look at the serial number on there, it should match up with the serial number there. 0809042. Yep, so those serial numbers match up, and that was the auto learn feature. Now, if you guys do have any questions on how to get the serial number, or if you guys can't get into programming, or if you guys need help, you can always email us at support@alarmgrid.com. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure that you hit like underneath, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and enable notifications so whenever we upload new content, you guys do get notified. I'm George from Alarm Grid. I'll see you guys next time.